Yes, I'm beginning to mix my soil now. So this is a potting mix, which is so good. And then I've already mixed it with this compost. So then I have the garden soil, which is this one, which is good for vegetable. And then I have this performance organic um, soil too, which is a miracle grow, which I'm going to mix. I've already mixed all the three. I've mixed all the three here. So now, so that they be ready to try. I'm going to fill all these pots with with the soil, and then I'm going to now start cutting the seeds out of the bell pepper and the tomato, and then I plant them today. So that we'll leave it for about 2 weeks or so for them to start germinating. Then we'll see what we get. Yeah, let us see. Today is 28th of January. Even though it looks sunny outside, but it's so cold. But it's such a funny weather that you never know what is going to happen. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to start preparing my this year crops, and I'm trying to do 5 major crops. One it's turmeric, one is ginger, and then the culinary will be the bell pepper, cayenne pepper, and tomato. So the first thing is to prepare the soil and then give it organic manure. So what I've done now, it's I've already mixed the compost, and then I mix into the compost the shells of egg, hen egg. So what I've been doing now, it's for the past few months I have been collecting all the shells of the eggs that I eat in the morning, and then so what I did now was to grind them. You see, these are the eggshells. You see, so these are the eggshells. So what I did was I put them into a coffee grinder, and then I grind them, and then I mix them with the compost. So then I sprinkle the powdered shell on top of the soil, which I've just prepared now. So I'm going to start raising the seeds, the seedlings from today, and hopefully that by the end of February, the weather will have started getting warm, and then we will be nearing spring for me to transplant them outside when the weather will have started getting warm. And then just for a case of interest, this is my turmeric, which I planted indoor almost 9 months ago now. And the ones I planted outside, I've already harvested them because the frost started about a month ago. So I was able to get some turmeric out of them. But this one, it's just there. I was thinking maybe when the turmeric are ripe for harvest, the leaves will dry up. But as long as I continue to water it, they are just there. So I don't even know whether the turmeric is just regrowing but definitely it's already filled inside the pot there. So that's the turmeric, and the same thing goes for the ginger too, because I didn't transfer the ginger outside. I left it inside the pot inside, and this is the ginger, which is still there. you know. So but this year I'm going to try and experiment transferring ginger outside into my container gardening and see, what I can get out of it. So those are the ginger, which has sitting in the pot for so long. So, but it will be interesting to see what I could get when I eventually um, empty the pot. And then out of interest, I just this is lemon orange, which is almost about a year old now. It's just yeah, it's not it's not outgrowing the pot, but I just keep watering it. So these are my seeds, which I raised from the pepper that I bought from the supermarket. So these are the cayenne pepper, the hot pepper, which it's a Jamaican pepper, which I save here, and then also I have here the bell pepper, which is this is the green, green bell pepper, and this is the red bell pepper. So I'm going to plant them. So I have different colors of pots. I have red, I have purple, I have green, and then I have the so that this big trough, I probably have a tomato, this tomato cuts there, and then as soon as they start sprouting, I would separate them, so that I will on this one now, I'll plant all the pepper, and then I can thin them out, and then I put maybe about two into each pot, so that by the time they are now ready for outside planting, they will have been strong enough. So that's what I'm doing now. And then of course these are my plants which I have here, which I've been raising for almost three and a half years now. You see, so they just continue to grow. I cut them and then I replant the stem. I have this one too, which is here. And I have that one too, which is also there. Which is also there. And then I have the little one here, which which has been there for a while now. So it's good. Thank you.